Hey folks, if you're going to replace one of your lawnmower blades, your riding tractor blades, I've got a really handy tool that makes it super easy. I bought this thing at Lowe's. It's a Sunbelt blade removal tool. Let me show you how quick and easy this is. First, I'm going to just lift up my deck a little bit with a block of wood to make it easier to access it. Then I'll show you underneath here in a second, but I'm going to use this tool to lock my blade in place. So I can feel I got it in place. I'm going to just tighten this thing in. And in just a second, we'll go underneath and see what this thing looks like. All right, that feels nice and tight. Let's get underneath and show you what this thing looks like. Okay, here you can see the blade. Hopefully that's this part here. And the shiny black thing is the blade removal tool that basically has a C shape to it that's holding the blade in place. Now I'm going to just take my breaker bar, get it on this nut here. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Now I'll just reach under there, see if I can. It's for the vine. So that's that. Now I'll just take this tool off. And I'll use the same thing when I put the old new one back on. And there we go. And you can see how beat up this one is. And then, of course, installing a new one is just the reverse of that. Now I'm going to put this replacement one on by hand. I'll make sure this star-shaped pattern aligns with the spindle. Just get this tightened by hand. That's great. Now, I'm going to take this. I already showed you how the blade sits in there to keep it from moving. So I'll just get this in there again. Oh, where's that blade? There we go. Come on. There. Tighten this on. Now I'm going to get this breaker bar on there. And we can tighten this thing and be done. Come on. There we go. And we're done. And that's all there is. And you saw how easy that was. Just a couple of minutes. Didn't even have to put this thing up on blocks. You can find this product at Lowe's. You can hover over the video and you'll see the product description there. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. If it was, appreciate a like and a subscribe. And thanks for watching.